would have gotten more points. And if I
Go, Carter.
So I wanted it close.
So you like Millington be pulling shit out your leg? Huh? You like Millington be pulling shit out your leg?
There you go. Head in the side now there. Oh, reshot was there. Reshot! Watch the head and arm coming.
Go, Carter.
No, you gotta spin behind them before you. Come on, Carter.
You wrestle like a
Let's go, Carter.
Your shot, Carter.
No.
You gotta set it up.
Let's go, Carter.
Oh,
You got a hold of the head here.
You got a minute. You gotta clear your arm.
Let's go, Carter. Let's go.
There you go. Now put that down to the mat.
Peterson.
Oh, look away.
Stand up. Just stand up with it.
His shoes probably lighter than mine. I'm kind of mad. You ever get it?
Build up.
His shoes is kind of brighter than mine.
Let's go, Carter. Come on. Look where you're at.
Look for the Peterson.
Defer. I got confused for a second.
Go, Carter.
Now go ahead and do your head on there.
Let's go, Carter. Come on.
Be tough, Carter.
Look for it. Look for it.
Hey, you got to keep your head up.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep your head up. Keep your head off the mat.
Keep moving.
Hey, he's got that tight while you set your Peterson up. You're up. You're up. You're up.
Stand up. Make a grip. Go. Keep going.
Switch. Head up. Head up. Carter. Hey, quit putting your head down. Keep your neck up. Hey.
How they have 5? You should be. Man, you got to escape.
Carter, you're okay. Clear your arm. A switch isn't going to work until you clear your arm.
There you go.
Head up.
There you go. Come on. Get up, Chris.
Head up.
Carter, get your head down there. Sit out. Keep your head up, Carter.
Let's go, Carter.
Keep going. Keep the wrist. Keep going. Keep the wrist. Now circle. Now circle. Get your leg out. Keep the wrist.
30 seconds.
Let's go, Carter.
Go. There you go. You switch. Go. Go. Keep spinning.
Drive. Short time, Carter. Drive.
Now look for the rope. Get your arm out of there. Keep going.
Hey, you gotta stop hanging your head down. Hey, we gotta get a turn. We gotta get a turn. Who picked down? I didn't pick down.
Who chose down?
Go to the table. We didn't choose down. Did you say down? Nobody said down.
Nobody chose down yet. We didn't know who was.
I didn't say down. Oh no, I wasn't. I know I was saying stop keeping your head down.
Yeah, we want neutral.
Hey, you got to do something, Carter.
Now!
Big stand! Big stand! Duck, sir, duck! Circle it! No, circle! Don't step out!
Hey, be ready for that.
Keep the pace up. High intensity.
Come on, Carter.
Stuff the
Stuff
head!
the head!
Stuff the head!
Get your leg back.
Oh, Carter. Wizard hard!
Don't get stuck this time. Keep moving.
Hey, bridge! Bridge!
There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. No, don't let that go. Don't let that go. Hey, keep looking that leg. There you go. Now try to get one, Tyler. Get that. Keep fighting. Just keep circling. Carter, just keep circling. His arm's caught underneath you. Just keep circling. Circle. Keep circling. Circle with him. Circle with him. Just keep moving around. There you go. Down. 30 seconds.
Go, Carter.
Keep that leg up. Hey, as long as he's got both your arms, you're fine. He's lifting you off the mat.
Roll through. No, don't.
Go, Carter. Hey, that's how you do it right there.
There you go. It's a minor.